Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds TCL keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommended to perform the soft reset. Perform the soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone, and after that open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. Then your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically. Sometimes it happens with all devices that don't want to reconnect automatically, so if you have this problem, go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and tap at your headphones at the device list. After the soft reset, we should perform the factory reset. So if the soft reset didn't help you, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and at the back side we have touch controls. Right here we have TCL. Right here this one is touch controls. Firstly, put these earbuds to your ears, and then press and hold at the touch controls until you will hear the prompt power off. Here we go. After that, release your fingers and press and hold again until you will hear the prompt device activate. So firstly, let me press and hold. Firstly, these headphones turn on. You will hear the prompt power on. Then you will hear the prompt pairing because we entered the pairing mode, but you keep holding these controls. And now device active. Then we can reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget the device button, or you may have forget button or forget device button, or unpair or remove. And forget device. And you will remove them from your phone. Without it, if you try to reconnect them, on iOS it will ask you to remove this device, on Android it will show you connectional problem. But if you reconnect them, meaning that you fail in to perform the factory reset, so you need to repeat this process. After you remove your headphones, if you have Android, at the top you will find the button forget the device, pair the device, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button in the Bluetooth, tap at that button. And then you'll see your headphones at the device list, tap on them, and we just reconnect them with the phone. Now check. If the factory reset didn't help you, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But the problem that you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And if it's okay for you, let's do this. First I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find the similar path to these settings. Now, on your iPhone, open settings, and then we should go to the general settings. Scroll down, click at the general line, and right here at the bottom, you'll find transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at that line, then click reset. In this window, you need to select reset network settings. There is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. That's why we click on it. Then write your password and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open settings, and then we should go to the general settings. To the system, not to the general settings, so you need to scroll down, click at the system, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, at the bottom we have reset options, tap at that line, then you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!